There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop in Destroyer Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black exterior mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature controls, selectable steering modes, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6064.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.